Today we are going to talk about redox reaction. Okay, so what are redox reaction? So redox reaction are a chemical equation that involves both oxidation and reduction occurring at the same time. Okay, so redox reaction, if anybody asks you, or in the MCQs they ask you what is a redox reaction, so it involves both oxidation and reduction. Okay, one substance will lose electrons, that is called oxidation. Okay, another substance will gain electrons, that is called reduction. Okay, electron transfer take place between reactant. What is a redox reaction? Redox reaction is in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Okay, oxidations oil, we use oil, and rig. Oil means oxidation is loss of electron, and reduction is rig is reduction is gain. Okay, that is simple of electrons. Oxidation half equation. An oxidation half equation shows the loss of electrons. For example, here zinc has a zero charge, it doesn't have lose any electron, but in this reaction, what happening to the zinc? Zinc will lose two electron and get positive two charge. You know that positive two charge came when any atom lose two electrons. Okay, so zinc loses two electrons. Reduction half equation. Reduction half equation shows the gain of electrons. Okay, for example, Cu plus two electrons gives us copper. So copper ions gain two electrons. Combining half equation. Half equations are added together by making the number of electrons equal, adding to the equation and cancelling electrons that appear on the both sides. Oxidation. Oxidation is what? Zn here is zero. Okay, but after the reaction Zn has a positive two charge and it also loses two electrons. What is happening at reduction? Reduction is Cu plus 2, so it will gain these two electrons, okay, and become Cu0. So that is reduction, is a gain of electron. So add them, that would be Zn is 0 here, copper is plus 2. So Zn from 0 to move to plus 2. So Zn oxidized. Okay. Why? Because it, sorry, I will just zoom in. So Zn loses, Zn loses 2 electron. Okay, what is happening to copper? Copper is gaining 2 electron. Okay, so that is oxidation, loss of electron. And that upper thing, the copper is gain 2 electron, gain 2 electron, electron, that is reduction, reduction. Okay, now the next equation is, I will just remove it. Now the second example is, here you can see Mg has a zero charge. Now Mg loses two electron and becomes Mg plus 2. So that is called oxidation and electrons are lost. Reduction is opposite of that. Here you can see silver has a positive charge. So two silver atoms gain two electrons and become silver Ag0. So that is the reduction. So overall equation is that magnesium loses two electrons and become Mg plus 2, and that is oxidation because it loses electron. Whereas Ag plus 1, which is an ion, gains one electron and becomes Ag0. Okay. Uh, Example 3, iron and chlorine. So what is happening here? Iron has a zero charge here, and iron will lose 3 electrons and become Fe plus 3, that is oxidation because 6 electrons are lost. What is happening at reduction? Chlorine is Cl2, means it has zero charge. It gains 6 electron, 3 chlorines, and becomes 6Cl minus. And you can see in the equation that is 0. From 0 it becomes plus 3, whereas chlorine is 0 here and becomes minus 1. So how we can balance the redox equation? When balancing redox equation, write oxidation half equation. Okay, write reduction half equation. Balance atom except oxygen and hydrogen. Balance charge using electrons. Multiply equation if necessary. Cancel out electrons. That means that number of electrons should be equal. Write the balance equation. Oxidation number and oxidation number. Identify oxidation and reduction. Okay. Oxidation is the oxidation number increases in oxidation and reduction, oxidation number decreases. For example, from plus 2 to plus 3, oxidation number increases or decreases? That is increased from plus 2 to plus 3, so that is oxidized. Iron is oxidized, okay? And for example, here that copper is plus 2, from plus 2 it went to Cu, that is 0. So copper has been reduced because it gains 2 electron and uh, oxidization number decreases from 2 to 0. That is simple. Redox equation in electrolysis. At the cathode negative electrode, copper will come, okay, copper to ion, it will gain 2 electrons and become copper. So that is reduction, okay, on anode. On cathode, what is happening at anode? Positive electrode, oxidation happens. The chlorine ion, because in electrolysis copper and chlorine will be in ion form, okay. So chlorine will come here, it will loses 2 electron and becomes Cl2 as a gas and then evaporate from the solution. So that is oxidation. Redox in metal extraction. So here what is happening? Iron has plus 3 charge, oxygen has minus 2 charge, carbon has plus 2 charge, oxygen has minus 2 charge. Here iron is alone, so it has 0 charge. Here oxygen has plus 4 charge because it has 2 oxygen, and that is the whole equation. Okay, so iron oxide loses oxygen, so iron has been reduced, and you can also see that iron has gain electron from plus 3 to 0, so it has been reduced. Okay, carbon monoxide gains oxygen, so that is CO, and it becomes CO2, so that thing has been oxidized. Oxidizing agent accepts electron, causes oxidation, and itself it is reduced. Example: oxygen, chlorine, potassium magnate. Reducing agent is uh, that donates electron, causes reduction, and itself it is oxidized. For example, carbon monoxide, the example we did, hydrogen, zinc, and magnesium. Now we will summarize it. Electrons, they oxidation lose electrons. Reduction gains electron. Oxygen in oxidation gain. In reduction, you lose oxygen. Hydrogen, you lose hydrogen in oxidation, whereas you gain hydrogen in reduction. Oxidation number increases, whereas area in reduction it is decreases. Please subscribe and share with your friend. We are not getting 1,000 subscribers till now.